welcome to tonight's lightning ball draw. Today everything will be fine. Oh god, that was not meant to happen. I hope I'll be back now, but I probably will. Sorry about that, just need to bear with for a minute. First ball out, number 54. I need to get this cleaned as well. Still colourblind about the numbers. It's just that they're so hard to see. Second ball out, number 38. No, that was the wrong one. Third ball out, number 17. Fourth ball out, number 4. Fifth ball out, number 79. No, that was not the one. Sixth and final number is number 85. And the lightning ball is 5. Those numbers again in ascending order are 4, 17, 38, 54, 79 and 85. And the lightning ball is 5. That was tonight's lightning ball draw. I'll see you all in a minute for tonight's day lesson, blank documents and bingo draw.